Hello, this is Mark from Always Sold 123. Welcome to Fort Lauderdale, guys. Happy New Year's. This is a first car in 2026 I'm actually doing a video for. Guys, we got 2012 Mercedes-Benz SLK 350 with sport package, white, light tan interior, 60,000 miles. Guys, yes, 60 with the 2012. We're in 2026. The car is 14 years old. Beautiful exterior. We'll like take a look at this starting from this fender. You got a nice fender. You don't see any scratches, dings, or dents. Okay. You got original AMG wheels. Your tires, let me see. Your tire is about 65% on the front. Okay. We're gonna go to the hood. Hood doesn't have any scratches, dings, or dent. You got a beautiful. Actually, I don't even see rock chips, which is unusual. Okay. You got a front bumper, grills. Take a look at these grills on the front. All the grills are they're not loose, nothing is broken. Everything is solid right here, okay? Headlights are nice. It looks like, I like these sport package bumpers on these SLKs 350s. All right, now we have these fender right here. Nice coupe and I don't know what that is, but this feature looks very cool. It's chrome, all right? You don't have any damages right here. You have, take a look at this door. You don't have any damages on this door, like there's no scratches, dings, or dents. You have interior door panel, beautiful Harman Kardon stereo. You do have power seats right there, memory seats. Do have a screen monitor, push button start, wooden steering wheel. Guys, it looks like it has heated seats, and it's not a cooling seat, but it does have heated seats. I see it. I don't know. Take a look over there. Now, if you look at it this way, the quarter panel. The quarter panel here is beautiful. Once again, I don't see any damages on the quarter panel. Pirelli tires in the back, the same 60, 50% maybe in the back. Don't forget, it's a rear-wheel drive. The back tires are always less in tread than the front ones, okay? You got nice trunk lid, okay? Vehicle is running, as you can see. We have a little colder weather right now, so you can see it. Now, beautiful quarter panel. I mean, the car is hot in general. I think the car is hot. Like I said, for being this year and being this affordable, the car is very nice. Look at the car at the bottom. Take a look. There's no rust. Car is gorgeous from the bottom also. You got same AMG wheels in the back. Once again, quarter panel is nice on this side. I don't see any damages. Take a look. I'm gonna open up this door. Door panels are nice. You got power locks, you got windows, you got mirrors, you got power seats working, as you can see. Does have a little wear and tear right here on the seats, on the driver's seat. Well, for the age, don't forget, any convertibles, they expose to the sun a lot, so you will have a little wear and tear on vehicles, especially when they're over 10 years old, okay? Now, you got 68, 138 with miles. You got the sport package cluster right here. It's all white and black. Now I see that this music works perfectly here. And navigation also. We have navigation there. So we had the truck had to pass, so we could proceed with the video. Okay, so 68, 138 with miles. It does have navigation, Harman Kardon stereo. Okay, you got heated seats. I know, I like heated seats, especially right now. So we're gonna go right now under the hood quick. And before I tell you anything, guys, this vehicle, so keep that in mind, it's a friendly disclosure, is sold as this. Taxes, fees, registration is not included in price, okay? Now, if you like to buy the car and ship the car, that's not a problem these days. It's $1 to $1.50 a mile per mile. Just take your zip code, take a zip code. It's 1,000 miles. It's $1,000 minimum. All right. Now, let's look at the car under the hood. Solid, very nice, solid engine. I like these engines better than 4 cylinders. Okay. The four cylinders eat a lot of oil. The turbos, I always give problems to people. Everybody knows that. Look at that. No rust under the hood. Fernando, Happy New Year. Nice to see you. That's my friend Fernando. Now, look at this. This is a perfect Mercedes-Benz engineering from back in the days. This is not like now. You can put a Toyota Corolla engines in them, okay? This is actually Mercedes, all right? That's what you gotta buy. It's more, it's more vintage than anything else, all right? Okay, guys. Now, I want to say thank you for watching my video, and in general, thank you for watching my videos. If you have any questions, feel free to call us. Once again, this vehicle sold as is. It's no warranty on it. Feel free to send anybody to check the car out for you. Now, if you guys have any questions in 2026, please call us 954-914-7722. I hope I was very good today for you. And I want to say thank you, God bless, and bye-bye.